Today, I'll be taking a look at this $80 microphone kit from Maono. Is it worth the premium? Let's find out. So right off the bat, it comes in a really nice retail box. Opening it up reveals a user manual, a support card, a pop filter, windscreen foam, a shock mount, a pretty nice Velcro strap for cable management, a desk mount, an adjustable metal arm, and of course, the Maono AU-PM421 in all of its glory. It has a flat black finish and it's built really well overall. As far as specs are concerned, it has a 60mm condenser, a cardioid polar pattern with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It has a bit depth of 24, sample rate of up to 192 kHz, and a sound to noise ratio of 74 decibels. I couldn't find what chipset was being used, but the box says professional sound chipset, so hopefully that holds true. Before we have a listen, let's talk about the arm. Setup is pretty straightforward, but the manual is pretty easy to understand anyway. You just mount the desk mount onto your desk, slide the arm in and secure it into place, screw on the shock mount, insert the microphone, screw on the pop filter, and plug in the USB cable and you're ready to roll. Just make sure not to use a weird plastic table like I did to mount the mic. It works great on anything else, but this is really a personal problem honestly, so you shouldn't really have to worry about that. I didn't notice this before, but it has a built-in mute button that's touch sensitive and changes color letting you know if it's muted or not, and below that is a mic gain knob which feels really solid. Speaking of things that are solid, let's have a listen. Alrighty, and this is about like 75% through on the mic gain. So yeah, hopefully it sounds pretty good. My voice isn't too great right now, but yeah, it seems to be responding very well even though I'm not right next to it. I do have the pop filter as well as the windscreen foam installed, so there's that as well. Yeah, in terms of background noise, there's my PC right next to me, so let's go ahead and put it 100%. And this is the highest the microphone can go, and it seems to be really picking up my voice. I can even get closer. That's probably pretty loud at this point. I can just go back away. So yeah, this is a recording. Hopefully it sounds pretty decent. Well, I think it's safe to say that this mic is really good. The audio is really clear and it did a good job even when at a higher volume. I would say that compared to the more expensive microphones out there, this holds up really well. I didn't think that this would be any better than what I previously tested, but if you're wanting a really solid microphone for just about anything, the Maono AU-PM421 is a pretty solid value. Links will be put in the description if you want to pick one up. And by the way, I'm recording this part of the video with the microphone at a 75% volume. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, but if not, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.